In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut in Serato Studio. Now, there's actually a few ways to cut. So the first one's going to be to simply click on something inside your song view down here. So like an audio clip or something, and you want to right click and click on the cut button or press Ctrl plus X on your keyboard, and that's going to cut it. Now you can just go anywhere, press Ctrl and V, and it's going to paste it back, okay? But I do think that's not what you actually meant. You wanted to know how to actually split these audio segments into multiple segments by using cuts or kind of splits. Now to do this, you actually want to click where you want the split to be. So for example, I'm going to go here about in the middle, and you want to press Ctrl and E on your keyboard, and just like this, as you can see, it's going to make a cut. Now the same thing is going to apply if you actually go and right click and click on split the new clip. It's the same thing, and that's going to split it or cut it, okay? So that's the easiest way to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.